If you want to multiply 324 with 568, step 1, 3 5s are 15. Step 2, 3 6 are 18. 5 2s are 10. The total is 28 here. Step 3, 3 into 8 is nothing but 24. 5 into 4 is nothing but 20. And 2 into 6 is nothing but 12. If you do this total, 6 and this is 56. Next, step 4. 2 into 8 is nothing but 16. 6 into 4 is nothing but 24. If you add these two, it is 40. Last step, 4 into 8 is nothing but 32. Now, with the help of balancing method, we will write the final answer. 2 here, 3 carry forward, 40 plus 3, 43. 3 here, 4 carry forward. 56 plus 4, it is 60. 6 carry forward. So 28 plus 6, 34. 4 here, 3 carry forward. 15 plus 3, 18. So the answer is